आंतरराष्ट्रीय बायलां दिसा निमतान गोंय फुटबॉल एसोसिएशनान फुटबॉल मॅच दवरिल्ली। ही मॅच म्हापश्यां धुळेर मैदानार जाली। रॉकस्टार टीमीन युनायटेड 7 टीमीक एका गोलान मारले। ह्या वेळार फुटबॉलाच्या उदरगतीक दिल्ल्या योगदाना खातीर विजया देवी राणे, पॉल विएगस आनी क्लारा फेर्नांडिसाचो जीएफएन भोवमान केलो।
Certainly, we will stand by our women. It's a commitment of the Goa Football Association to bring women football up. See, finally for us, football is not just a game. It's a process of development of every human being, whether it's a boy or a girl.
काकुलो गोवन्साक 6 विकेटींनी मारून साळगांवकार स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान जीपीएल सर्त जिखली। कॅप्टन अमोक देसाय मॅन ऑफ द मॅच थारलो। जिनो ड्रॅगन्साक 3री सुवात आनी सन इस्टेट वॉरियर्साक 4थी सुवात मेळ्ळी। काकुलोचो सनी पटेल प्लेयर ऑफ द टुर्नामेंट थारलो। सर्तीत स्वप्नील अस्नोडकरान सगळ्यांत चड रन काडले। साळगांवकाराच्या कुलदीप दिवानान सगळ्यांत चड विकेटी काडल्यो। सन इस्टेट वॉरियर्साचो सुयश प्रभुदेसाय उदेंतो खेळगडो थारलो।
Big shot, that's a massive hit over mid wicket. This time it's cleaned him up. Cleverly played, very cleverly played, and it'll go to the boundary. Sunny Patel is on strike. Wide outside the off stump, the ball has been hit up in the air, straight into the hands of the fielder at long on. This ball has been hit up in the air, one bounce into the fence. He's in his first over. This time over the covers, into the crowd for a 6. Off the back foot, that ball is up in the air. There's a fielder coming underneath it, and he takes a simple catch to do that.
And it's done with just one delivery. So Sagalgaonkar Sports Club are the champions of this year's Yes Bank GPL T26.
The highest scorer in GPL, the orange cap winner, Swapnil Asnodkar. Highest wicket taker, the purple cap winner, and that is Kuldeep Diwan of Sagalgaonkar Sports Club. The player of the tournament, Sunny Patel of Kakulo Goans. They're running the prize of rupees 5 lakhs for the Kakulo Goans, the champions of Yes Bank GPL 2015. Sagalgaonkar Sports Club.
आता पळोवया मडगांव शारांत जाल्लो शिगमो आनी चित्ररथांच्यो मिरवणुको।
इस गरुड़ से मेरी रक्षा करो।
देवराज, हमें बचाइए। वायुपुत्र भीम की शक्ति के आगे हम निष्फल हैं। हमें बचाइए।
श्री गणेश कार्तिक पृथ्वी प्रदर्शन।
माते, विचलित न होना माते, मैं आया हूँ। राहु मेरे सूर्य देव का कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता।
इतल्याने खबराची त्रांगात सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट।